Hello creative minds, welcome back to our channel. Today we have got an exciting tutorial for you. We are going to learn how to draw a superhero from scratch. So grab your pencils, pens and paper and let's get started. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSS channel for all the creative minds out here. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Start with the basics. Hold the paper in landscape mode. Pause the video, draw the step, and then proceed to the next step. In the end, you can use the color reference as shown. This will be your final result. You can use color pens or acrylic colors as your coloring medium to achieve the final output. This drawing is meant to develop your design skills, get a command on lines, and to learn to strong posing. This exercise will also boost your human body study and creative approach. So let's draw. To begin, we will start by sketching our superhero's pose. I'm going for a dynamic heroic stance. Let's start by constructing the center line for the torso as the flow of the entire pose depends on this. Next, we will outline the limbs with cylinders for the construction. Add muscles on this construction. Draw bicep and other important muscles. Now let's give our superhero a face. Start with the eyebrows and the eyes, positioning them right in the center of the head. Next, add a strong jawline and a determined expression. Feel free to make your superhero unique and expressive. The costume is a critical part of any superhero's identity. Think about your superhero's backstory and personality while designing the costume. I am going for a classical look with bold colors and an emblem on the chest. You can design your own costume as well. Add other details of the costume as shown. Now that we have our basic sketch, it is time to ink and outline our superhero. Be patient and steady as you go over the pencil lines. This is where superhero will really start to come to life. Before we complete the coloring part, let's start by sketching the background. A good background can enhance your superhero story. I am adding basic cityscape behind our hero to create a sense of scale. I am drawing the background in one point perspective. The point is called a vanishing point and it will help us map the building and other elements in proportion and in perspective. Shading adds depth and dimension to your superhero. Think about where your light source is and shade accordingly. Don't forget to add small details and highlights. I'm adding some incredible patterns and unique symbol to give the extra wow factor. And there you have it folks, your very own superhero. Don't forget to take your time to enjoy the process. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial and inspired you to explore the wonderful world of art. For more helpful and insightful tutorials, visit Creative Skills Society's YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSS.